excited about number crunching. Here's how math equals critical thinking.
8
See how fast
6,
you can solve this problem.
6 plus 10 divided by 10. 9. Very good. Very good.
Was it this fast? Probably not, but then again, you may not have been using mental math. These students learned it through a program called Project Motivational Math.
They come to us with a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, a lot of doubt.
I always started banging on the table because I hated math so much.
But not anymore. Can you believe they're actually celebrating things like word problems and fractions now?
We show them that math is an everyday language and it's something that's going to be with them for the rest of their lives.
CEO Willie Walker says it may seem hard to believe, but through number crunching, these students are understanding critical thinking and problem solving a lot better.
I think one of the greatest pleasures is to see a third grader or a fourth grader that couldn't even do multiplication, and after a few months or a couple of weeks, they start to fall in love with it.
It's much faster, and you know little tricks to do the math in your head faster.
He makes it kind of fun with words that describe how math is and what it does. So I think math is pretty fun.
So much fun, they're forgetting they're learning something. The creator and CEO of Motivational Math, Willie Walker, is here now to tell us how you can get involved in this program. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Let's first start with what is Motivational Math?
Project Motivational Math is a program designed to help children increase their intellect with mathematics. And once they increase their intellect with mathematics, then they get involved with reading and all the other subjects. They do well in all the other subjects.
Okay, now this has just started pretty much in Tallahassee, but you've had it around for several years now in other areas.
Yes. It started in Tallahassee back in October of '97. Prior to that, we had 10 years in Dade County, and test scores have skyrocketed as a result of Project Motivational Math.
Now, I have personally been a witness to this, and it's remarkable how the children just throw out these answers to long problems, mathematical problems. How do you do it?
Well, first of all, I'd just like to mention that it's a gift that came from God, and I didn't realize that I had this gift until about 15 years ago. I first started teaching in Dade County about 15 years ago, and I had a group of students who didn't necessarily enjoy mathematics. They didn't enjoy school at all. So I found myself doing something totally different. I wound up doing role-playing with the children, and then I infused mental math into the curriculum as well. And then I saw the students start listening to me, and from that point, everything else is history.
Okay, show us some of this mental math you're talking about.
We're able to teach students, along with parents, how to compute basic operations all at the same time.
Right.
I can give them addition problems, subtraction problems, division problems, and multiplication problems all at the same time, about 15 to 20 problems, and they'll be able to give you the answer just like that. For example, 7 times 7 plus 1 plus 50 minus 25 times 2 divided by 15 times 10 plus 100 plus another 100 divided by 25 plus 3 times 5, and the answer is 75.
I'm still on the first few numbers, and I've seen this. I mean, it really is amazing. I mean, can any child do this?
Any child. All we ask is that they learn their multiplication facts. If they don't know their multiplication facts, we can teach them how to learn their multiplication facts.
And how young do you start them?
We start them really from 2nd to 3rd grade. We had a student who come to us last year in October, and she worked with us. We worked with her for two months, and she didn't know her multiplication facts, and she competed in a statewide mental math competition we had up here at the Doubletree, and she came in first place.
Math Magic.
Take a cube root, and the answer is?
They're playing Who Wants to Be a Math Quiz.
65 square. Give me the answer. You're taking too long.
These students from Ben Shepherd Elementary in Hialeah love math thanks to a program called Mental Math, which teaches kids shortcuts for solving math problems in their head.
58 times 2 minus 16 plus 75 plus 50 divided by 25. Let me see the answer.
9.
Ah! We show them how to multiply times the 11s a real fast way. We show them how to multiply times 5 a real fast way. The 9s, the 10s, zeros.
The program tries to eliminate the fear of math, a fear many parents pass on to their kids. So you take a little bit of confidence and a lot of fun, and what you get is a math program that adds up.
Times 3. And
here's one of the tricks for squaring numbers ending in 5.
Now let's try 35 squared, okay? 5 times 5 is 25. That's a given, okay? The number that comes after 3 is 4. So 3 times 4 is what? 12.
Hold it. Here's the trick one more time. When squaring numbers ending in 5, like 35, multiply the right column. It's always 25. Then add 1 to the top number on the left, which would make this 4. You multiply it by the bottom number, and the answer is 1225.
6.4.
Now, see if you can solve this problem.
7 times 8 minus 6 plus 25 times 2 plus 50 plus 100 divided by the number of seconds in a minute times 5 times 5. Take a cube root times 5 plus 75 minus 5 divided by 10 equal, right here, 9.5.
Okay, we're impressed. It's easy to see how for these kids, math really counts.
It's fun. And just visualize the numbers. There's tricks for like almost everything.
People basically limit themselves, and with this program, it takes the limits off of you.
Olga Vitati, 7 News.
And next week, dozens of students will participate in the state's mental math contest. For more information about this math program, all you have to do is visit our website at WSVN.com.